This presentation you are about to see is based on determining the soil type and composition of the soil in the Moruga area. The group members are Covell Ferreira, Roshan Landers, and Alyssa Elvin.
The soil sample was taken from the Inland Moruga region. The specific site is located on the central south coast of Trinidad at the western end of the Trinity Hills. The characteristics of the area where the soil sample was taken consisted of soil, which was a light brown in color, with the predominant vegetation being grass and shrubs, with no trees being present.
To determine the composition of the soil, the jar method was utilized. 5 centimeters of soil was placed in a lucid jar. 3/4 of the jar was then filled with water and shaken vigorously, and was left to settle for 24 hours. The various layers were then measured, with 70% being sand, 15% being silt, 10% being clay, and 5% being humus and suspended matter. Second methodology. To determine the texture of the soil sample, a clump of soil was placed in the palm and water was slowly added to make the soil pliable. The soil was then formed into a ball and was then squeezed between the thumb and index finger. The formation of a river with the soil was then attempted. However, it did not make a solid ribbon and it crumbled. So therefore, the soil type can be concluded as being a sandy soil.
Soil texture is the single most important physical property of the soil. Knowing the soil texture alone will provide information about water flow potential, water holding capacity, fertility potential, and suitability for many urban uses like burying capacity. The texture of the soil is determined by the percentages of sand, silt, and clay in the soil sample. This is critical for understanding soil behavior and management.
Due to the soil being composed mainly of sand, but not having the exact characteristics of sand, the specified area would be ideal for the construction of homes or commercial establishments. It could also be used for recreational facilities such as a savanna or a park.